All right, Juju Sports Cards here. We're doing a box of Prestige 2016. Got a couple people in this one. Fly Philly, Pablo Hack, and NY Fan Cam. Good luck. 4 hits a box. 3 rookies, 1 vet. 4 packs. Different makeup this year. A lot of vet base, which will not ship. Your rookies will ship. It's all vet. Here's your rookies. How is this set up here? We got Laramie Tunzel, Dolphins, red, not numbered. First hits, Jay Lee for the Lions. Jay Lee for the Lions. Lions is NFC North. NFC North is Fly Philly on the board. First rookie auto. Dixon, Parcells, Corey Coleman blue, not numbered. Draft day. We got All-Americans and Super Bowl heroes Jacoby Jones. Barbecue starter. All right, rookies, you guys will get those. All right, we got number to 25, Eric Decker. There's our vet for the Jets. Number to 25, AFC East and the Jets. That is Pablo Hack. There you go, Paul. Decker to 25. Laurinaitis, Passport, TCU, Case Keenum, Rams, Derrick Henry, not numbered. Big board, Jalen Ramsey. Draft picks, Alexander, and acetate, Richard Sherman. Number 3. Rookies. There we go, Laquan Treadwell, number 200. Laquan Treadwell, number 200. Big board autograph. Treadwell was the Vikings. Vikings in this were NFC North and Fly Philly. Nice one. Treadwell, 40 of 100. And All-Americans die cuts. That is number to 25, Von Bell. Von Bell, number 25. Let's see, Von Bell was the Saints. Saints. He's got the Saints, number 25. NFC South. NFC South, we're Fly Philly, number 25, die cut. Passport, Doug Martin. Blue chip, Jared Goff, not numbered. Elliott's. We got Darren Lee, draft picks, and inside the numbers, J.J. Watt. Last pack.
Flexibility that they were able to start with Richard Jefferson in there and LeBron at power forward obviously made a huge difference. They had a 17-point lead after the first quarter. So it's going to be a topic of discussion. It's a must-win on Friday. Would not be surprised if Tyree keeps it the way he had it here tonight. All right, Brian Whitworth, the latest on the Cavaliers. Appreciate it, Brian.
There we go. Aaron Green for the Rams. Aaron Green. Rams is NFC West. NFC West is NY FanCam. Then we got number to 25, 16 of 25 for the Redskins, Deshaun Jackson. Deshaun Jackson for the Redskins. NFC East as Pablo Hack. NFC East. Farrell Cooper, Dan Hampton, Eli Apple, Jared Goff, Eli Manning, and Calvin Johnson acetate. That was a break, guys. Appreciate it again.